Hi guys, I'm back. I have a bit of a cough, but we are using the useless web. And I found 3 really funny ones that I want to show. And these are my favourites. This is one of my favourites. I love how, so if you go like this, it sounds hilarious. And then there's that one. But I'm sorry if this is going to be a very, very short video. And this. Yes. omfdogs.com. Look at this. It's hilarious. I'm looking at the puppy down here in the corner. He's struggling, and most of all, you cannot miss out this one. Since everything's all normal. There you go. Just saying that I did not add this in. And look at this. It says warning contains flashing images, and that's this. I love this. Okay, well I'm done with that. Okay, we're gonna end it with this, I guess. Okay, well, that didn't work.